In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to erase your iPhone. Before we dive into the actual erase, I want to start with a quick safety net, a backup. This part is optional, but highly recommended so you can restore your photos, messages, and apps later. On your iPhone, open Settings, tap your name at the top, go to iCloud, then iCloud Backup, and tap Backup now. Let it finish depending on your connection and how much data you have. It might take a little while, but it's worth it. If you're planning to sell or trade in your iPhone, sign out of iCloud and your Apple ID first, and unpair any paired devices like an Apple Watch. This helps remove activation lock so the next owner can set it up without issues. While you're preparing, make sure your iPhone has enough battery or is plugged into power. You may be prompted to turn off Find My during the process. Follow the on-screen instructions to do that when asked. Now, to start the erase, open the Settings app. Tap General, then scroll down and choose Transfer or Reset iPhone. This is the area where Apple groups the tools for moving to a new device and for wiping your current one. We're going to select Erase All Content and Settings. You'll see a summary of what will be removed. This action wipes your personal data, apps, Apple Pay cards, Face ID or Touch ID, and your settings, returning the phone to factory condition. If you're ready, confirm that you want to proceed. At this point, your iPhone will ask for your device passcode. You may also be asked for your Apple ID password to turn off Find My and remove activation lock. Enter them when prompted. This step is important because it confirms the device is yours and ensures the phone won't be locked to your account after it's erased. Once confirmed, the iPhone will begin the erase. The screen may go dark, show a progress bar, and restart a couple of times. This is normal. Try to keep the device on power and avoid interrupting the process. When it's finished, you'll be greeted by the setup screen, the same one you saw when the phone was new. That's your sign the erase was successful. If you're keeping the phone, you can set it up as new or restore from your backup. If you're selling or trading it in, you can power it down and it's ready to go. And that's it, clean, safe, and complete. Thanks for watching.